Good morning, dear students. Welcome back in your computer class. In this video, we are going to cover up chapter 9 question answers along with exercise. So, let us start with the fill in the blanks. The first one is, are built using multi-platform web technologies. So, the answer is hybrid app. Hybrid apps are mainly designed for the multi-platform, or we can say multiple operating system. So, answer is hybrid app. Second is the process of working out the bugs in your app. So, answer is stabilization is the process of working out the bugs. That bugs means errors. So, to remove the errors from the app is known as stabilization. Third one is WhatsApp is a application. So, on WhatsApp what you can do? You can do chat with the other person. So, answer is chat. Fourth one is the two biggest app stores are Google Play for Android. That means for Android operating system we are having the Google Play App Store, and for iOS we are having App Store. So, fourth answer is App Store. Now next, moving on to multiple choice. Google Play is an international online software store for Android devices. Answer is B. Second, Google Map is a web mapping service developed by Google. Obviously, Google Map is a service developed by Google. Third one, are developed for a single mobile operating system. So, for single mobile, we are having what? Native app. Fourth one, the process of software development is called the SDLC, where SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. So, answer is SDLC. Now, moving on to our oral questions, look at the first one. What is Google Map? So, let me show the answer. Page is 97 according to the old book. Let me show the answer. Google Map. Here it is. In new book, you can open the page accordingly. So, from here you will write the answer. Google Map is a web mapping service developed by Google. This is the only answer. No need to write this heading. Then next question. Second question is, what is native app? See, first one answer is also here. Google Map. यहाँ से भी आप copy कर सकते हो. This is also same on the same page. ठीक है. यहाँ पे भी given है आंसर. This is also same, and what I said you previously for Google Map, मतलब ये वाला जो आंसर था, ये जो मैंने आपको previous page पे बताया है, ये भी लिख सकते हो और ये भी लिख सकते हो, because both are same. Okay. Then next is the native app. Look at here for native app. Write the answer from here. In place of such apps, write it native apps. Native apps are developed for a single mobile operating system. And do not write this native app in the form of heading. Simply लिखना है answer with the blue pen. No need to put any heading. Write it simply. Native apps are developed for a single mobile operating system. Right? Next. How many types of apps are there? How many types of apps are there? Page number 91. Open it. Look at here. Only the names you have to write. There are 3 types of app. Number 1, native app. 2, hybrid app. Number 3, web apps. Only name. Then second one, what does the abbreviation SDLC stand for? Page number 92. Open it. SDLC full form. This one. So, write it. SDLC stands from, firstly write from the question, SDLC stands for Software Development Life Cycle. Okay. Up to here you can write it. No need to write even this. Software Development Life Cycle. Next question. Very short. Write the names of any 3 commonly known apps. Answer is only write the names WhatsApp, Facebook, Google Maps. Other than these names, also you can write it, which are used most commonly by most of the people, right? WhatsApp, Facebook and Google Map is the answer. Second question, write the names of any two biggest app stores. Page number 90. Here is the answer. Right from here, the two biggest app stores are Google Play for Android and App Store for iOS. Up to here. Next question. Write a short note on web apps. Page number 92. See this one. These apps, right from here, these apps are software applications that, mark up to here, that के बाद आप लिखोगे from here, that use browser to run and are usually written in HTML5, JavaScript or CSS. Whatever I marked with the red color, only that much you have to write. ठीक है, without any full stop. That के बाद कोई full stop नहीं है. That के बाद you will write continuously in the single line. No full stop. And no need to give heading also. Next answer. What do you mean by stabilization? 93 page number. Wait for a minute. Stabilization. Yes, here it is. Marking with the blue color, whatever I will mark with the blue color, only that much you have to write. Only this part. Right? Stabilization is the process of working out the bugs in place of your, write it OUR, R. Your के place पे write it R, OUR. Only this much is the answer. Fine. Next question. Yes, long first, what is the process of app development? 92 page number, process of app development. Here it is. Look at the last line marked with the red color. This one. These are usually, there may T will be capital. Okay, T will be capital. So you will write it, there are usually 5 major portions of the process, then colon sign. इतना लिखने के बाद you will come to the next line and now look at all the steps given here. Number 1. Now जो भी रेड कलर से मार्क है ना, उसको सेम एज इट इज़ लिखना है, जो भी लिखा हुआ है. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज इंसेप्शन. सो यू विल गिव द हेडिंग फर्स्टली इंसेप्शन. Wait for a minute. Yes. So inception, give the heading and write it. The inception stage is all about defining and refining the idea for an app. Up to here, right? Then next one is second point, give it and write the heading design. Design में आप पूरा यहाँ तक लिखोगे, marked with the red color. Then the third point is development. Development में first you write only the heading. पहले सिर्फ हेडिंग लिखना है. हेडिंग लिखने के बाद यू विल स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम हेयर अ वर्किंग प्रोटोटाइप. ठीक है, एक जो होगा दैट विल बी कैपिटल. यहाँ से लेकर लास्ट लाइन में ऑफ द वर्क. देन गिव द फोर्थ पॉइंट स्टेबलाइजेशन एंड राइट इट दैट स्टेबलाइजेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ वर्किंग आउट द बग्स. योर के प्लेस पे मेक इट OUR. ठीक है. और जब ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा ऐप, तो इसके बाद यहाँ से फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो भी रेड कलर जहाँ पे भी मार्क है उस पूरी लाइन को एज इट इज़ लिखना है. ओके. देन गिव द लास्ट पॉइंट, फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज डिप्लॉयमेंट. गिव द फिफ्थ पॉइंट डिप्लॉयमेंट एंड देन वन डिप्लॉयमेंट लिखने के बाद लिखोगे वंस द एप्लीकेशन हैज़ बीन स्टेबलाइज्ड इट इज़ द टाइम टू गेट इट आउट इनटू द वेब. क्लियर? सो दिस इज़ द कंप्लीट आंसर. ये all 5 points you have to write, all 5 marked with the red color. Next question. Last question is, what are the uses of some commonly known apps? Page number 90 and 91. Uses of some commonly known apps. See, यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है जो भी रेड कलर से मार्क है. Look at here. Red color से already I marked it. Names and uses of some commonly known apps are given below. लिखा हुआ है ना. तो इस पे आपको क्या करना है, जो लिखा हुआ है names and uses of some commonly known apps are को लिखने के बाद given below you will cut it. R के बाद put the dash sign R, उसके बाद give the first point WhatsApp, और जहाँ पे भी रेड कलर है उसको लिखना है WhatsApp, give the heading, write it this is a chat application, full stop, and then in the same line you will continue, you will not change the line. full stop के बाद उसी line में लिखना है we use WhatsApp for group chats and sending photographs and files to each other. Okay, then next, and see no need to make this ये नहीं बनाना है this logo, ठीक है, for WhatsApp, for Facebook and all, just only write it about it. उसके बाद next is the Facebook. Now see Facebook, give the heading, फिर उसके बाद लिखोगे this is लिखने के बाद आगे देखिए मैंने क्या लिखा है, an online social media, ठीक है, तो आप लिखोगे this is an online social media and social networking service, full stop, after service. In the same line you will continue, through Facebook we are always in touch with distant family and friends. जो भी रेड कलर से मार्क है same as it is. This is point number 2. Then move on to point number 3. Point number 3 also marked it already. क्या लिखोगे, give the heading YouTube. सबसे पहले look at here, YouTube heading दोगे third point and start writing from here. It allows the users to upload, view, rate, share के बाद comma, report, comment on videos and subscribe to other users, up to here only. Then fourth point, Google search, give the heading, and after that write it, after giving the heading in the same line write it, Google is a web search engine developed by Google, full stop. The main purpose of Google search is to hunt for text in publicly accessible documents, up to here, right? Then fifth one, class now point number 5 is Google Maps. So Google Map heading देने के बाद you will write Google Map is a web mapping service developed by Google. It offers satellite imagery, comma के बाद come to this line, comma real time traffic conditions and route planning for traveling. Means जितना portion मैंने आपको लिखा है brackets में, only that you have to write, rest of the portion you will cut it, no need to write this part, don't write this, and combine the other things in a single statement. Okay, so whatever is visible now, that you have to write in point number 5. Now everything is clear, I hope. So here we have completed our chapter number 9th question answers. That's all, and no need to do assessment C of this, but for rest of the chapters, for some of the chapters we have done assessment C, so that you have to study well because it can also come in your exam. And other than these, prepare the full forms also, and if shortcut keys are there in between, I don't think shortcut keys are there, but if it is there in the annual syllabus, then prepare well for those. And short forms also, short notes will come, ठीक है, then very short, short and long answers, and paper will be of total 50 marks. And for the practical, your practical will be of 50 marks, right? Theory 50 marks, practical also 50 marks. So it depends whether the practical will be there or not, but I gave one file to you. If you remember, I gave you one file as a holiday homework in the month of December, and the last date was 5 Feb to submit it, right? So those who have not submitted, they will not get the marks for the files. I hope it is clear. So file is considered to be of 20 marks, and rest 30 marks depends on your theory. Whatever theory marks you will get, accordingly 30 marks will be adjusted if practical will not be there. अगर प्रैक्टिकल स्कूल में नहीं होता है तो 30 मार्क्स एडजस्ट हो जाएंगे और बाकी के जो 20 मार्क्स हैं वो आपके फाइल के इंक्लूड होंगे. क्लियर? सो दैट्स ऑल about your exams and all. Syllabus is completed. That's all. Thank you.